Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get a PayPal virtual card. Virtual cards provide a secure way to shop online without exposing your main credit or debit card numbers. They generate unique card details for each transaction or for a set period, adding an extra layer of protection against fraud. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to obtain and utilize a virtual card linked to your PayPal account, ensuring safer and more convenient online payment. PayPal provides two primary options for a virtual card experience: the PayPal Debit MasterCard for personal use and the PayPal Business Debit MasterCard. Both cards offer immediate digital access once approved, allowing you to start spending online right away. They directly connect to your PayPal balance, making it simple to manage your funds and track expenditures. These cards are accepted anywhere MasterCard is, offering wide usability. In contrast, a HubSpot deal represents a concrete sales opportunity with a defined value and a projected close date. Once a lead is qualified and shows serious intent, it transitions into a deal. Deals are the core of your sales pipeline, moving through various stages like discovery, proposal, and negotiation. Sales teams actively work to advance these deals, aiming to convert them into paying customers. Each deal tracks specific revenue and progress. Using a PayPal-linked virtual card offers significant benefits, including enhanced security for your online transactions and PayPal's buyer protection on eligible purchases. You can also link virtual cards from other providers to your PayPal account, expanding your payment options. This flexibility allows you to manage your spending effectively and enjoy peace of mind, knowing your financial details are better protected when shopping online.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.